Friends, let me tell you about the coolest underdog car of the 1980s, the Buick GNX. This car looked like just another sleepy Buick sedan. But under its hood lurked a fierce turbocharged engine ready to smoke any sports car on the road. While people were jamming to their cassette tapes, this blacked-out Buick was making heads turn with its roaring motor and attitude. It could beat a BMW in a drag race, leave Porsches and Corvettes in its rearview mirror. Only 547 of these beastly Buicks were ever made. So today, the GNX is a rare legend. The car that proved you should never underestimate a Buick. So the next time you see an old Buick Regal, take a closer look. You never know if it might just be a GNX, the underdog muscle car that shocked the world.